Welcome back. Ratio Module 2, Lesson 3, finding the whole or part in a given ratio. Calculators are allowed. Now, we are going to look at another simple principle in ratios where a whole is divided into parts. Using the ratio given, we can easily find either the whole or the parts depending on what quantities are given. In this lesson, these are the objectives. Objective number 1, finding the whole in a given ratio. Number 2, finding the parts in a given ratio. Number 3, comparing ratios, which is actually bonus material. Ready? Let's get to it. Alright students, let's look at question 1. Let's read it. A piece of electrical cord was cut into 3 pieces in the ratio of 3:5:4. If the length of the shortest piece is 22.5 cm, what was the length of the original piece of electrical cord? Which means find out the length of the cord before it was cut. So step 1, let's set up the models first. Okay, 3:5:4. The shortest piece is 3 units. Shortest piece is 3 units. The longest piece is 5 units. Longest piece is 5 units. And the middle one is 4 units. So which one is 22.5 cm? The shortest piece, the one with 3 units, is 22.5 cm. Right? 22.5 cm. Okay, now let's move on to step 2. Just look at the models and we'll get the answers. Okay? 3 units is equals to 22.5 cm. So 1 unit is equals to 22.5 cm divided by 3, which is equals to what? Which is equals to 7.5 cm. What is the total length of the cord? All the boxes added together. So you got 3 plus 5 plus 4, which is 12. Therefore, 12 units, which is the total length of the cord, will be equal to 7.5 cm multiplied by 12, which is 90 cm. This is the length of the cord before it was cut, and that is the final answer. Let's move on. Question 2, students. Maddie and Pei shared a packet of chocolates in the ratio of 5:8. If there were 65 pieces of chocolate in that packet, how many pieces of chocolate did Pei receive? Step 1, let's draw the models. What is the ratio again? 5:8 is the ratio. So let's draw Maddie. Maddie has how many units? 5 units. 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pei has how many units? 8 units. 8 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the question is this. If there was 65 pieces of chocolate in the packet, how many pieces of chocolate did Pei receive? So step 2, what do you have to calculate right now? What is the first step that you have to do in step 2? You've got to find out the value for 1 unit. So if 13 units, you add up all the boxes, you get 13 units, right? If 13 units equals to 65 pieces of chocolate, what is 1 unit? 1 unit is equals to 65 divided by 13. And when you do that, how much do you get? How many do you get? You get 5. 1 unit equals to 5 chocolates. Therefore, Pei has how many units? 8 units. So 8 units equals to 5 times 8 equals to 40. So Pei has 40 pieces of chocolate, and that is the final answer. We're doing good here. Let's move on. Question 3, students. Last question of this lesson. Ray's mother mixes 5 cups of orange juice with every 7 cups of peach juice to make fruit punch. Part A of question 3 is this. If she used 15 cups of orange juice, how many cups of peach juice does she need? Part B is this. If she wants to make 60 cups of fruit punch, how many cups of orange juice does she need? Okay, let's move to the solution. Step 1, let's set up the models. Let's set up the models. As you can see, orange to peach, the ratio is 5:7. Let's draw the models for orange. Orange is 5 units, which means 5 boxes. 5 boxes. Peach is 7 units, 7 boxes. Moving on to step 2. Step 2 is also part A of the question. Find out how many cups of peach juice Ray's mother needs to mix with 15 cups of orange juice. You realize that 5 units of orange juice equals to 15 cups here. 5 units of orange juice equals to 15 cups. So if 5 is to 15, what is 1 unit? 1 unit is equals to 15 divided by 5, which is 3 units. So 7 units, that is 3 cups, sorry. So 7 units equals to 3 cups multiplied by 7. What is 3 times 7? You get 21. So for 15 cups of orange juice, you need 21 cups of peach juice. Step 3 is for part B, to find out how many cups of orange juice Ray's mother needs to make 60 cups of fruit punch. You know, going between peach and orange, you might get confused, so stay with the program, okay? Look at the notes as well, it will help. Add up all the boxes. You got 5 in orange, 7 in peach, you add up, you get 12 units. So 12 units represent 60 cups of fruit punch. Therefore, 1 unit would be 60 divided by 12, which is 5. 5 cups. So 5 units which is what is required for orange. 5 units would be 5 times 5, which is 25. So 25 cups of orange juice is required for 60 cups of fruit punch. So for part A, 21 is the answer. For part B, 25 is the answer. Let's move on. Lesson 3 completed. As I say always and all the time, attempt the quiz, go score.